Let's make Italian tortellini soup. Delicious. You have to try this. I've got a big pot over medium heat. I'm gonna add just a smidge of olive oil because the sausage has a bunch of fat in it. I took the sausage out of the casing, so it's in chunks. We're just gonna throw it in here. We're gonna leave it a little chunky. We're not gonna completely mash it up. So I'm adding 1 chopped red onion into the pan with the sausage so they can finish cooking together. I'm gonna add 4 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of Italian seasoning and a generous pinch of red pepper flakes to the pot. We're gonna add our liquids now. So I've got a jar of diced tomatoes and a jar of crushed tomatoes. Full container of beef broth. I have 4 carrots that I peeled and quartered, and I'm gonna pop those in with the liquid. The final thing before it simmers for a while is I'm gonna add some Parmesan rinds that I have been saving in my refrigerator. So I am gonna quarter up and slice up some zucchini, some kale, the ingredients that are gonna go in just for the last 30 minutes. We have been simmering with the zucchini and the kale in there for about 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna add just store-bought cheese tortellini, and we're gonna cook it for another 10 minutes, and then it's gonna be good to go. Pasta, sausage, zucchini, carrots, delicious.